We will learn how to install or how to make pendrive bootable for Windows 7 or latest version. Okay, so first there is a need to install there is a need to download your ISO file. Okay, Windows ISO file. So how to download ISO file? Just go to on this link. Okay, that is getintopc.com. Then go to softwares, then choose operating system, then find your Windows. Okay, suppose you want to install Windows 10. Okay, go for Windows 10. In my case I'm going to download Windows 7. Okay, that is 32-bit. Okay, so after finding your window, you have to go to on download button that will be appear on the below side, and that is like this: download for 32-bit, download for 64-bit, download for 32/30 64-bit single ISO. Okay, click on anyone and download. Okay, you can see in my case this is going to download, that is being downloading. Okay, so after this there is a need of another software. Okay, there is a need of Rufus software. Okay, to boot, to make bootable pendrive. So just go to on this website, that is rufus usb.en.up2down up to down.com. Then go to Windows, then download. Here what you have to do, you just download latest version. Okay, so click on download button, then you will get your Rufus software. Okay, then after downloading Rufus, just open. Okay, this will ask for uh, yes or no. You just click on yes, then okay. After opening, just click on open, then this pop-up window will be open. Okay, that is Rufus 1.3.7 3.17.18646. Okay, after that it automatically detect your device, means pen drive. Okay, that is my case, uh, that is of 32 gigabit. Okay, so after that you just click on select button. Okay, click on select button wherever you have downloaded your ISO file. Okay, choose that one. Okay, choose that one. Okay, now click on select button. Okay, now this is my ISO file that is downloaded. Click on it. Now open it. Okay, this is scanning. So let's wait for this. Now click on start button. Checking for conflicting process. Okay, warning, all data on device no label f2 will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, click. OK. It will take some more time. Okay, let's wait. Okay, now it's ready. Now let's check. Now you can close this. Okay, repose. Now check for, go to your app. Okay, now you can see. Okay, these are the folders in your pen drive. Okay, that is for Windows 7. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, now this pen drive is ready for the installation. Okay, that is bootable. Now thanks for watching.